I changed one Windows 11 setting and doubled my Wi-Fi speed. First check your internet speed, click the Wi-Fi icon, then click manage Wi-Fi connection. Click test internet speed icon button. Speed test open in your web browser. Click the start button. It's take a minute and your internet speed will appear. Just remember your internet speed. Right click the start button and click device manager. Expand network adapters. Right click your Wi-Fi adapter and select properties. Click the advanced tab property list. Scroll down and select MIMO power save mode. If the value is set to auto SMPS, Windows is turning off your Wi-Fi antennas to save a tiny bit of power. This completely kills your internet speed. Change it to no SMPS and click OK. Now Windows won't restrict power for your Wi-Fi adapter. Close device manger and return to internet speed test web browser page and click rerun button. You notice your Wi-Fi internet speed is 2x faster now.